welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. Today is the 5 products I would highly recommend from Ophire. Why? Because everything in the Ophire shop today is 15% off. Yes, I am an affiliate. My link is down below. If you use the link, it does help my channel. I get a teeny tiny little bit back from every sale made through my link. So if you want to use my link, that would be most helpful. Thank you. Okay, if you want to know everything there is to know about the company Ophire that I could find information on, I made a video all about it. My mom even guest stars in it. I will link it up above and at the end of this video, and I highly recommend it. It's a fun watch. And I go through every single hook in my collection. So if you want to know what a hook color looks like really up close, I have almost every color. Take a look over there at the end of this video if you want to. Now, 5 products I would strongly recommend from Ophire. Here we go. These are in no particular order, just I'm numbering them because numbering is fun. So number 5 is not here because I lost it. Yeah, it's the little travel case. It holds about 3 Ophire hooks inside it, and it is so cute. Here's a picture. I love it. I love that little travel case. It's made of this really soft leather-like material, and it comes in this like really pretty, almost maroon / purple color. It's really pretty, and I can't find mine anywhere. I have looked all over the stitchery and my bedroom, and I cannot find it. It is in this house. It is in this house. It is probably in a project bag somewhere with a project. Probably there's a hook in it too, but I would strongly recommend this. It's great for travel. It snaps, so it's secure. And I would strongly recommend, if you don't have one of these little travel cases for your hooks, I would recommend it. It's so cute. And it does hold other kinds of hooks as well. You know, give it a try. Number 4, I actually don't own, but I believe my sweet friend Teresa when she says they're great, so I'm gonna say that they're great too. The Bobbins. The Bobbins that they have made, I really, really want to get some. I might get some today. 15% off? Yeah, why not? Teresa at Critters Crochet says these are great, so I believe her. So I would get some of these bobbins if I were you. They are great for color work such as graphgans, mosaic crochet, intarsia crochet, all of those kind of things. If you like doing color work, you need bobbins. These apparently are very good. So that's my number 4 pick. Number 3, another one I don't own, but I believe my friends. Alea at Cozy Co Crochet says these yarn bowls are the best. So if she thinks they're the best, then they must be the best. So these yarn bowls are just stunning. Her favorite one is Diamond. I can see why. Isn't that gorgeous? Diamonds really are a girl's best friend. If she says they're great, then they're great. Obviously, all the channels I am talking about, I will link down below, and you should go follow. Just putting that out there. Number 2, finally, something I own. You can see it in the background. It's the stand. I love this stand. I want the emerald green one so badly. This is my pink one. It holds 20 hooks, and it's just so pretty. Look at all the glitter. There's a silver one, a red one, a green one, and this one. Ophire, if you're listening, I would love if you would put out a white one. I'm just saying. Can you picture it? I can picture it. So, anyway, I love my stand. It holds 20 hooks. It's fantastic. Oh, I love the stands. Yes. Before we get to number 1, because don't you love honorable mentions? I do. So the stitch markers, are these not precious? I love these stitch markers. I want her to make more. Please make more, Ashley. These are so cute. Again, something I don't own, but my friends have used them, so they must be good. These are so cute, right? Oh, I love these. I love these. I love anything that looks artistic. Just beautiful. If you're gonna have a stitch marker, why not have it be a beautiful one? And number 1, to no one's surprise, the hooks, obviously. I have a few favorites. I'm a little biased, but that's okay. And I'm not going to talk about any of the ones you can't get anymore. Don't worry. Although I do love my limited edition, I'm not going to talk about those. However, there is a limited edition you can still get. It's part of the Seasons collection, and it is the Winter Wonderland. It is the only hook so far that she has made without her little signature little divot right here. There are no divots. in this one. This is the only hook that does that. And I gotta say, I noticed a difference and I kind of like it this way. So Ashley, you might want to make more like this, just saying. This is an inline hook. If you're not used to inline, it might take a little getting used to, but it's really great. I have great tension control. I can move my finger up and down. This handle feels really good. I love the Winter Wonderland. I strongly recommend it. Other one that I absolutely love is my sapphire. Now my sapphire is an oops, but all sapphires are made the same. This is my 9mm. I love using this for my slippers. Look at that head. Just look at that beauty. Look how pointy she is. This is one of my favorite slipper hooks. When I make my big fluffy slippers, which I'm wearing right now. They're a little dirty. They've been worn a lot, okay? This is my slipper pattern. This is extremely thick yarn. I think this is like a 7. And I use these hooks to make these. Oh, so cushy. If you want a slipper pattern later this fall, let me know. Anyway, this is my slipper hook. I love it. This is sapphire. And down here is a better. This is what a real, not an oops. This is an oops version. See all the gaps. But there's nothing wrong with oops hooks. But this is what a true sapphire would look like. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. I think I need to get like a real sapphire one day. Maybe I'll get it today. And then I have to show amethyst because one of my friends just goes crazy for this one. So I don't blame her. Amethyst is gorgeous. I just got this one. This is my garnet hook. I just got it. I love it. I love the black, the red. It's all swirly. Very gorgeous. So those are some of my favorites. Those are my favorites from Ophire. What are your favorites? Please go check out the channels I listed down below. Here is a little bit more about the sale. So the sale runs from today till the 21st. 15% off the entire site. If you use my link down below, I get a teeny tiny bit back, and that would help my channel. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember that Teresa and I are going live today at 4 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Central. So if you want to catch us then. So you might want to pop on over into our live. It is a question and answer live. You can ask us anything you want to ask us. It doesn't have to be about crochet. It can be about anything. So if you've ever wanted to ask us a burning question and put us on the spot, now's your time. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.